Lake Macquarie, or Awaba, is the largest saltwater lagoon in the Southern Hemisphere. Its diverse ecosystem makes it a home to a multitude of aquatic and land-based animals. In this episode, we will focus on a few species of bird life. Within Australia, black swans have a wingspan of up to 2 meters, or the length of 1 1/5 Natalie Portmans. Around the age of 2 to 4 years, swans choose a mate, which they will generally remain with for the rest of their lives. In some cases, however, they will choose a new mate if their partner dies. Regardless of whether the death is of a suspicious nature, black swans lack the necessary police forensic skills to investigate such matters. Ducks possess excellent vision. When snoozing in groups, the ducks on the outer perimeter act as guards and are capable of sensing a threat in under a second. This evolutionary trait is most likely the reason why Colonel Sanders started Kentucky Fried Chicken instead of Kentucky Fried Duck. Pelicans, such majestic creatures. The distinctive large fibrous skin pouch is known as the gala sac. It can hold up to 3 gallons of water, or approximately 12 kilograms of prawns. The most positive birds of the avian kingdom. This is why they are called pelicans and not pelicans. Here we are at Warners Bay. This may look like a seagull, but it is in the bay, so it is in fact a bagel. Its seagull cousin, which resides predominantly on the seashore, have very simple tastes in food, with leftover hot chips being the major part of its staple diet.
It's really excellent to see the kind of quality in these young contenders.
Yeah, man.
I mean, guys are coming in.
Oh, there it was. That's all he ever needs. That is all he ever needs. And he knows it. He's always looking for that one-punch knockout, and he got it.
Magpies quickly adapt to their environment. This magpie has absconded with a coat hanger from a nearby shop. He intends on using it to open a locked car door for some typical Grand Theft Auto action. Magpies are also known for their violent nature. During nesting season, they will attack humans on foot or on bicycles. Some experts speculate that they do it for shits and giggles and for online viral video content.
I'm a priest, and God shall protect me.
The brain does nothing!
Trespassers may end up paying the ultimate price. Or even worse.
But I've been told by a local expert.
Here we have breast implants. These are for the C cup.
Oh, it just multiplied.